High above Rio, arms outstretched to the world, stands a symbol not just of faith, but of resilience, hope, and the power of human vision. This is the story behind the statue that watches over millions. Towering 98 feet above the city, Christ the Redeemer wasn't built overnight. It began as a dream in the hearts of Brazilians, an idea born after World War I when people sought unity and peace. In 1921, the vision took form. Through storms, financial challenges, and the mountains themselves resisting, the builders pressed on. Sculpted by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa and French artist Paul Landowski, every detail was carved with purpose. It took 9 years, almost a decade of labor and love. And when it was unveiled in 1931, it wasn't just a statue. It was a message, arms wide open, embracing a city, a country, and a world in need of hope. Today, Christ the Redeemer is one of the new 7 wonders of the world, a monument not only of faith, but of what humanity can build when it dares to believe. If this story lifted your spirit like Rio's skies, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more wonders that inspire the world, one story at a time.